Hi, you have tuned into Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. I'm your host Rini Mehta. Indian stock markets ended last week on a negative note. Major indices and sectoral indices declined during the week. Amid persistent inflation, central banks continued with monetary policy tightening. RBI hiked repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.9%. Meanwhile, European central banks decided to end net asset purchases under its asset purchase program and also signaled towards rate increase in its July monetary policy meeting. In another development, crude oil prices inched up with Brent crude trading above $120 per barrel mark. Then the US 10-year treasury yield again moved above 3%. FIIs continued with their selling of Indian equities. Monsoon progress needs to watched out for as a good monsoon will calm concerns about further food inflation. However, inflation, commodity price movement and central bank measures are critical factors for market performance over the near to medium term. Month till date, FIIs are net sellers to the tune of rupees 18,815 crores. We expect FPI flows to remain volatile in the emerging markets on account of rising geopolitical risk, rising inflation, tightening of monetary policy by central banks, etc. Now coming to the top stock picks, our pick of the week is Britannia with ad rating and target of rupees 3,700. Britannia's execution, especially in second half of financial year 2022, is encouraging. Britannia did not witness any inflation-led demand slowdown. Distribution expansion and new product launches, relaunches aided continued market share gains. Then some potential success of new launches and capacity expansion augurs well for growth in the medium term. Capex in this financial year stood at rupees 550 crores and FY23 guidance is for rupees 650 to 700 crores. Britannia continues to focus on cost savings initiatives in manufacturing. So we expect earnings to grow by 6.4% in FY23 and grow by 26.2% in FY24. We value Britannia on discounted cash flow based fair value of rupees 3,700. Now our another pick is Indigo with buy rating and target of rupees 2,580. Indigo's customer connect and network coverage are hard to replicate assets. It has begun using these to grow pricing relative to peers. This is making the case for strategic investment in Indigo more attractive, a play on leading domestic growth market to a market leader 2 times the size of the nearest peer, growing pricing relative to peers in a keenly competed market and pushing the ecosystem towards making India an aviation hub. We maintain buy with a target of rupees 2,580. So guys, that's all for today. See you again next week. Signing off.